All right, let's get to the point here. Twinkly lights, awesome. There's two types, cluster and string. Cluster, basically, that's what I got. Makes them a little bit thicker. Now here's the key with the twinkly lights. First off, amazing, most amazing Christmas lights ever. If you want to get more of the effect, you can see the little bat signal going across, you got to get the lights closer together. It's a 10-foot tree. I'm on strand 8 and 9, and I still only got this damn thing covered. That's how much, how many lights I'm going to need here. So I'm going to need to buy some more, get one in the mail, and got some other coming along. So let's do a quick unboxing and kind of walk you through quickly how to do this. Unboxing, super simple. Just take the damn thing out of the box and you got to plug it in. So take this off. Here it is. Don't need that. Here's the plug. Gonna open it up. Plug this into that. Plug it in. Boom. Okay. Take this, hold on it until it turns blue. Make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone and go to the app. So download the Twinkly app, the gold star, from the App Store. Go to the bottom right-hand side, the light icon to look for devices. Upper left-hand side to search for the devices and make sure the Bluetooth is on. It'll take a minute to discover, and then make sure you look at the box, see what generation you have, which in this case I have the Generation 2 device, so I'm going to select that option. And then since I already have the light in discovery mode, it's going to simply search for the device. And then once it finds the device, then we're simply going to connect it to our Wi-Fi. So as long as you know your Wi-Fi name and password, you're right as rain. At that point, it may ask you to do a firmware update. Go ahead and make that update, and it will then allow you to simply name the device. A couple pointers here. I didn't do the wraparound method. I went from top to bottom in order to get even distribution and get the effect I want. And also keep in mind that each twinkly set of lights needs to be individually plugged in. So you might need a lot of surge protectors, extension cords. Also have it plugged in through a smart plug. But if you would like, you can use the Twinkly app, plug your lights, and have Alexa or Google Voice control the lights directly. I kind of find that the Twinkly app's a little bit glitchy when it's connected to Amazon Alexa or Google Voice, so I just went with the method of having it be a smart plug. But let me show you how to map the lights. So go back in the Twinkly app, hit the little grid icon, and this is where you can map the layout. So it gives you a couple options when you go map. First and foremost, I had a couple of lights already mapped together. I'm going to hit the little gear icon and delete it altogether so I can regroup all the lights all together. It's going to ask you if you're sure. Don't worry about it. Delete the group. Upper right, hit the chain link icon so you can link all the lights together, which I'm going to do just that. And then you want to basically hit the top, which is group the entire group together so they're all synchronized. Hit the check boxes, then hit create, and then you can name it. So just give it a second, it'll compile the effects, and then we can start the whole mapping process. All right, so first things first, hit the photo icon to map now. You can either do the easy mapping or the more advanced mapping. Now, here's the trick. Easy mapping, you got to hold the phone steady. You take one shot. The advanced mapping, you have to do at least 3 shots, but what it suggests is A, you have to hold the phone steady. I can't emphasize that enough. Hold the phone steady. And then you want to either shift to the left or to the right to get a 3-dimensional image of the actual tree. So when you take more photographs, you'll notice the colors of the lights will shift from red to orange to yellow, then to green. When it has a green color, that means the app has actually captured the lights. So what I did is I basically went around the tree and took multiple photographs, sometimes 9 or 10, to capture as much of the tree as possible. Now, full disclaimer, it was a real pain in the ass. I think that maybe going from 6 strands of lights to 9 maybe have overloaded the app. But I found that I was getting these random rogue strands out in La La Land that was kind of throwing everything off. So it also could have been that it was bright in my room, and just for the sake of getting this video done, I maybe should have waited a little bit longer so it was a little bit darker. So you'll see that the tree did change color because it did recognize all the lights, but I ended up going the easy method just for the sake of this video, which ended up working fine. So again, just kind of keep in mind the strategy is if you want a more elaborate design, you want to have more lights together, closer together in order to get those more elaborate designs to display on the tree. But if you just want different colors or whatever the case may be, you can spread the lights out. So love to hear the comments in the videos if anybody has any good method that actually worked well with mapping the tree. But I ended up going the easy method, and then boom, there's the bat signal. Looks great, and I am officially done until I get some more strands, and then I'll have to do this damn process all over again. Thanks for watching.